Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SIM is active and mobile data is on. This avoids chasing connectivity ghosts. Once ready, open Settings and go to Connections or Network and Internet. Make sure airplane mode is off because that blocks all radios. You will also want to note your carrier name at the top. If it's missing, restart the phone briefly. Now tap Mobile Network or SIM settings so you can change the preferred network type in the next step. You'll now choose the network mode. Once inside Mobile Network settings, tap the entry labeled Preferred Network Type or Network Mode. You may see options like 2G, 3G/2G, 4G/3G/2G, or LTE. Pick 4G or 4G LTE to prioritize faster data and better call quality on VoLTE LTE-capable networks. If there's a Save or Apply button, press it. Otherwise, the phone sets it automatically. Make sure mobile data remains enabled, so you finish by verifying the status bar shows 4G or LTE and by running a quick speed test to confirm higher throughput. If the icon doesn't appear, toggle mobile data off and on, or restart the phone to force a network reattach. Once done, check APN settings against carrier recommendations. Incorrect APNs can block data. If you still don't get 4G, contact your carrier to confirm provision services or local coverage, because the problem may be on the network side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.